na denti na omampenyin enra one fro helicopter ni bi anko sankomo yi no nchiremu pa no yemfa nkame ye natifo mutie nsisia no ade a ye bebo modern na ye de adan ye tiefo sisia ye bo modern pa ye beko na ye ni Bishop Kojo Boaten Bempa wono aye sofo panyin ba ko a wo Assemblies of God na ye ne edin komo na ye ne edin komo ntido ye kwa homa no so sisia na ye no edin komo sisia e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Maminko na mimara akwaba Bishop Kojo Boaten Bempa Assemblies of God need this year sofo panyin ye ma akwaba ba for God and country ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I believe sir unhuye pa.
Oh me hoye by the grace of God.
Ye da nyame ase. Edro no ye nyare ntie se eye ye man panyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebe pie mu wo eye Assemblies of God for a program bi amuye no ewo Cape Coast. Nampacho enkomono no kra na.
Enkomono ye no kra. Na de esi ye nya na say about 4 days prayer conference that started Monday night. You know, no, so a member of the church, you know, about why you busy, you know, Wednesday. The lecture saying on Wednesday, Omra, Anopano. Now, and young Paboni area. Jim said, Sir, I couldn't do a day after Renton Kese, other Togana, sweet with you, Yamabusani in Akafra. And get the same Corona, a guest of Anna was our meeting. I said, and then so we are Obuasi Petemo baby.
SOMPA
prayer conference, and I invite you, sir. Yes, I said, Omo will be caught. No, exchange. Because name said the next day, no, so sent to Coco. You know, time a program, I said, now, you do a young time, so no, but no, will be our batch. All about the banana, it is a box. A same thing as it is, and yes, prayer conference, and I'm not all Banadia, and then helicopter, and got Okahombi, and got a sema at Togan and Yas and Papa into Wadia. Ebusiani na nkafra na at the same time no so no ye man panyini onyankopon yi na free atore nchem kese ese mu a Ghana nyina enfa na se manyankopon at the same time no ye kai ebusiani so omo de share ewu minister any deputy finance defense any omo land commission to we there e srempa bomo mu nyina ye bompa se Onyame nkoso amo omapanye ne nebusu nya hobara asem sei ebi ansa nto ye bi ti we de Onyame na di ye nyina ho afofie na be ba kom se me mesua afi mu no se kendia na Onyankopon eye bibia obeto me sa afro no unyata manyame a emse ebeti majo afi atore nti de obusa ye no kwan so a
Sofo Maminda was say oniyen edin komo na yenim say program no edaso koso ana anamowie
edaso koso e be wie na nwumre
enti enra no yesa bise bio enra omampanyin ba program no
this is what happened program no na afi na do a obefi fiaba etino the refran into Momuno my ready. Oba no say yes in no. E ma no wenti mama. But no nka oba. What you say sir? Enti enye say program na all beba na go betu kwan. The program na never broke na. It's like instead of going to Obuasi no, he decided to come. Enti onam oba beba na e ka say yes. If you know, he was so broken. You know, necessary sign return. Now, your coach teaching go for it. The program they're not on and pounds or whatever. What you say?
SOMPA FM.
Yeah, that's a possible this century, Munudia, because now as the news out there, no,
or sign because Nana Soja for no be ready. I said, yes, I'm fire ready. I hear you. The Assembly can say, yes, let's all sign your corporate no more. Press release in Asia. On our crown, then I will demand because I know now a body pusher. They refrain and too much as they are on the wake up. You know, we have bad news in the town. You know, Emma Bampa Boni de Guso. It you know say program we na na ko nam kwan so ba na dia. Enka ro fa nko betu kwa. So what I say.
Well, Mamin na wase na na wase bio, but the ayen komo a woni edi no yade a ehye nkran waka some bia kyerɛ adisuade a wonye free more when you are caught up between a church program and an event. Make sure you choose the church program. And again, there was this information I've also gathered. Say, wabra or mampening edin kunim in the 2024 general elections. No, Oshebose, obesi a sorry dime be at the Assemblies of God for. Now, maybe say, sa boshe no na no cray. Say no cray. We see a sorry dime Assemblies of God for na.
And then mami church o mukaka. And say last year they koye the general council e we kru bi e fe na Vrongo. Na Vrongo ho no uni say north ho no. Omo so many villages are very deprived. It is you started project be a friend in legacy temples. And here so for Penny Dr. Wingam, you starting project the legacy temple here say this is so there with classing classic. You know what I mean or tama ye can legacy temple now ho asem. And no share boss say obesi mako 10. Obesi mako 10 amenyame. You know within 4 months and we fulfilling this promise.
Wow.
What fulfilling our promise, no? We see, I saw it there, friendly for them. It be better 300. It be and now, sorry, down on passionate to us. So, baby, also for no better 2-bedroom kitchen there. We see what furnishing in now, very, very nice. And Mako 10. And also, number 11, no cry. Another old church here, all refurbished.
SOMPA FM.
I mean, so me did it. Sadia no here, no so can we because he did it within.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. And you know, sorry, no, then temple.
Your friend is Legacy Temple.
Legacy Temple.
Legacy Temples. They can make us a mimesi too. You no, yes, so be 10. And he did all the 10 within 4 months. Or say bona Emma and said this year no shall Siena. Just at the run. No, I am sorry there or see a sorry no doing Konyani BBA from village pastor in the villages.
Wow.
In the villages. Wow. Villages na Vrongo ne place you. You know, we can look chapter 7. Bible say baby na Abrante bi beka tie Jesus said the Bible. At a bro mo ko na kromo for catch Luke 7:5. Say pay man attention if he said we see a story that I'm a clue. As soon as they said that Jesus made the U-turn and then he prayed for the man and the man's child was healed. Luke 5. The story that is here and you're very, very, very important. Say in your lifetime, say you my opportunity. Try and build something for God. Either a village church or city church. You have one in the area because and can you do many coupon.
And just over with the answer the big Marco crowd, you will see, you know, Marco Boba is saying.
Oh, also it depends. It be from 100,000, 100,000. If you also do them crowd depending upon village, you all are. I want to 50,000 since we wait to Messi. Because all the village churches in Elson,
yeah,
it be for 150, it be for 200. Anything from 50,000, it be so 200,000. We see 2-bedroom as the
so for that's a pass over Hokwama, you know, a ding commander. We wish you well. More bonfire as well. Munkai, a SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Yeah, that's a pa. Abusa for forgotten country, and as Abri was Gusu would say, your friend me Kobla Abuchi, aka Prof. So for Bakwaba.
Yeah, Prof.
Yes, Kafrasi Amatanasi Ache.
Saying in the edge, maintaining.
Now, Baptist Church, Tessano. Now, a hot to say.
Well, Yami Yami cry into a hoye.
A hoye. Meaning, say, you have some experiences. Say, a bandit say, atrenchem atobi wako how bo pen and now share the AC ewo oman Ghana na ama mining nyina butu menemu kasai 1 year esese omo pie ko edwuma kra no omo entimi mpie madam fu bi die wesu afinura aba be pem sabre
yeah.
So for before you come to your message of hope, we want to find out from you. And now somebody I see, you know, how did you receive the message?
Well, I'm saying you can make it here for the American Subium say me the nyamia sunje ma obi biara Ghana ha ne obi biara otie me. I'm saying no we abeye 2 o'clock na me wo meeting bi nti me fi meeting ase no na me be ye call bi na me hwe call no so na me hu WhatsApp message bi na si crash number nti na say ye di akire na ye bi se mu yie e say won asem ato ayi omu ba ko de oye me nua me ne ye ayi sofo ni nua pa.
Wow.
Enti na say bibi sala mi say eye no kra na. But umpo won kra me nim won be 2 weeks ago kra so na me wo me ko tamale ko bebi a papa Mohammed Minuru na wo Vitin hono. As ye koye program kra ma Vitin hin kra boy abaso ne ade che yen batakare ne ade. Enti na at least minimum binum personally na one can so we Ghana for no and na yen so aye asore ne de say owu ba na say amane ba just say see any mun ba kuno ye no eye ade a eye adwuma kese ye di ho akotene ye hwe say won a asem na to won no ye be hwe wachiri akwan na yaboa won na wanya ya chichire fi nipa ho ne kese so bunya ayohire fi nyankopon ho nti ye no me ha me ifia se me frefrem krofo ne ade ne nua na minim no me frɛ no e kira so oje me so se wo nam kwan so kra ko foridua ko hu ayi Dr. Manibo Mahama me enti na ayi ade a yete ye no na ye nyina ya yabotoboto ayi asɔre fie hɔ ne adwuma yɛyɛ enti sɛnea yɛhu baabi a ayɛ esu na yɛ ɔhaw no yɛnso yɛkura yɛdi agidifoɔ asafo anim no yɛnso yɛ nipa ara enti asɛmi nso yɛnso aha yɛn kakra ayɛ adwendwen ho a sɛ meka kyerɛ sɛ metumi da papa biara bɛpema no pɛ ya na meboa because wobɛtena se adwendwen ho a etore bia sa ni me ba na manfo bi se SOMPA ya tie won abakosam yedim se bi ni wo ho a say ye Islam o say ye Christianity o na wodi hu akotene alaji wom na amane bo amanu ya tie som kwa asore ne ade
o kwa asore o Catholic ni papa
enti sa nsem ba na etore bia na nipa bi ye bisa but nyame ne na akwan ne niema de yemisa na sembia ne ewom ni se ba yadwendwe hu se nipa ba ye danase na yasre
ba so for we dey o se yebisa ja because no den dodo so for that's answer na am kan Bible no kaza answer we nyame my answers why should this happen
I see about in chair we should understand better by and by it samre no nipa mu de nipa adwen ne se bibi ba esi ebisa eto de bia yan Ghana for yan Africa for de impo obi kura di 120 years kura no film kura ye kwa ebisa ne de ho e na se na ade we asi a adonso ohye eye ya no esi ebisa
SOMPA FM
em say baby sa kopim baabi na edu baabi na esi eje mu nyankopon na yema ne peye ho na o kire yen kwan a betumi dia fa so na ya cheche yan yure na ya toa yen brabo so